very solid first lap right there, Kevin. Really starting off the session well. Just continue to get that braking done before that turn-in point. Great balance there, Kevin. Same thing gear through 6. Just turn that a little bit more in reference for that tighter corner. Now, one thing I want us all to work on this next time by, turn 10, that really fast right-hander, make sure you're braking before you start adding the steering to get that nose into the ground better. Just to make sure the nose has time to settle into the ground and load up those fronts before we also ask it to kind of turn into the corner as well, not overloading them too much at one time.